Ready?
Okay, thank you so much, Beta. Fine. Uh, we were doing question answers, right? In between, the meeting got disconnected. No issues. Again, the recording has started. I think that the last answer that we did, you people have marked and underlined also.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Do I need to repeat
Yes,
it
ma'am.
again? Do I need to repeat again?
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
बेटा अब आ
No,
रही
ma'am,
है?
it's fine.
अब आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, maybe Avinath is enjoying at home because you are not at home.
Yeah, see, when the cat is away, the mouse always they always have fun, no? So it is like that, isn't it?
Ma'am, what do you mean?
ये सेइंग होती है एक, जब घर का बॉस बाहर होता है तो बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं ना, जब मम्मी पापा नहीं होते हैं घर में तो वाला चीज हो सकता है. Isn't it?
Ma'am, next question करें?
हाँ हाँ
Ma'am,
चलो.
next can I tell, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, क्या है?
Pradyush. Ma'am, Pradyush.
Pradyunsh will tell. Okay, Pradyunsh will tell.
Yes, ma'am. Question. What did
हाँ.
Scheduled Tribes and Scheduled Caste Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1989 sought to achieve? What kind of offense against the SCs and ST did the act aim to curb and how? Ma'am, Article 17 was abolished the age-old practice of untouchability and made a punishable offense, yet it was failed to prevent atrocities and the violence against the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Ma'am, then hence, the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocity Act of 1989 was passed by the government.
Then
The kind of offense against the SCs and STs were are as follows: the forcing of member of scheduled caste or scheduled tribes to drink or eat any edible or inedible or
obnoxious, हाँ,
obnoxious substance,
Hmm.
forcibly removing clothes from a person of a member of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, or parading them naked or with painted face or body, or committing any similar act which is derogatory to the human dignity,
Derogatory, which is
derogatory to human dignity,
very good.
wrongfully disposes of a member of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe from his land or premises, or interfere in the enjoyment of his right over any land premises of. And then
Hmm.
ma'am, this act is sought. Ma'am, this act is to sought the achieve that the prisoner, the punishable offense is the prisoner term of 6 months, which could extend up to along with a fine. Punishment are also lessened of those public servants who rightfully neglect the duties
Willfully.
they are required to perform under the act.
ठीक है. This whole is the answer to this question. I hope you all have underlined.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ चलो ठीक है. Now what is left?
That is done.
Okay, fine. I
Ma'am,
think
chapter is over.
now listen, 25th is your exams are starting on 25th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून. कौन बोला गुड आफ्टरनून अभी? युवराज. हाँ जी बेटा. कुछ कोई बात बोलनी है आपको? Okay, fine. I hope you all are doing your work in the notebooks.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
For the previous chapter, I gave you one map work to mark. I hope you all remember that.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Ma'am, can you tell again?
I'm telling. I told you to mark 5 places, 5 states where the scheduled tribes are there. The tribal communities are found.
ma'am.
No, the names of the states are there in the book itself. You can chalk out any 5
Yes, ma'am.
and mark it on the political map of India, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. And fine. Now I think only one chapter is left for civics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See this chapter. We are not going to do it right now. We'll be starting with history. Okay. Till then, we have got, I think, 10 minutes in our hand. You people can ask your doubts, any query that you have regarding the previous chapters that we have done, or anything regarding the syllabus that we have. By the time you are thinking about the queries and other things, I am taking the attendance, right?
Ma'am, what are you taking?
I am
Ma'am,
taking
I
attendance.
want to ask,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what is the difference between the employment of manual scavenging erection and the construction of Dry Latrine Prohibition Act of 1993 and the prohibition of employment as manual scavenging and their rehabilitation was passed in 2013? Ma'am, what is the difference between these two acts?
बेटा ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं था. इट वाज जस्ट कि 1999 में जो एक्ट आया आपका, सॉरी 1993 में जो आया, उसमें जो है इरेडिकेशन था ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ मैनुअल स्कैवेंजर्स, ठीक है, और ड्राई लैट्रिन्स जो थे उनका प्रोहिबिशन था. मतलब जो ड्राई लैट्रिन्स जो आपके ट्रेन्स वगैरह में, मूविंग ट्रेन्स में हमें मिलती है, दैट वाज टू बी डन अवे विद, ठीक है. बट इस एक्ट के आने के बाद भी बहुत टाइम तक कुछ खास हुआ नहीं, ऐसा पाया गया. आई थिंक आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल आल्सो, नो, वेयर इन लखनऊ 4-5 people they lost their
Yes,
lives,
ma'am.
right? So when these kind of
Ma'am, 3 have
incidents
lost their life and
हाँ,
one
to
was left.
escape. हाँ. Now what, because of this, you know, the continuous complaints that were coming to the police, it made the government to do the same act. So when the redoing of the act came, it stated that prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and their rehabilitation. Like if this manual scavenging is not there, now what will these people do? They need to earn their livelihood. So government was supposed to make provisions to ensure that these people are rehabilitated, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Then I hope, Pradyumsh, the difference is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
See, many times it so happens that, you know, the government brings certain acts into being, but there is no proper implementation of those acts. So the government has to redo these acts. Now, redoing in the sense, the government, if you remember, we read about the Wages Regulation Act. In that, 3-4 times, several new provisions were added to this regulating act, right? And finally, in 2019, Wages Code Act came into being, which was like, in which all the other provisions were merged of the regulating act, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in Bihar, Bhopal gas tragedy chapter, it was there.
Yes, in that chapter it was there. Fine. Anoki, you want to say something? No. Okay. I hope Pradyumsh, I hope this thing is completely clear with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, till which chapter we have to show our work?
Whatever we have done till now.
Ma'am, all the chapters.
Of course, we have done question answers of all the chapters, Richa. Okay. Akshar is not there. Abhinath is there in the class.
Ma'am, first, second, third chapter also?
That was done long time back. I have checked also of
Ma'am,
many
we need to
students.
show.
Ma'am, after essay.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
after
No, after-
essay one.
After essay one, all
Whatever
the
we-
chapters that, whatever we have done. Abhinav Gangwar, Aditya Kumar, Ankur is present there in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
leaving the
Anokhi?
meeting.
Anokhi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Arsala, not there. Arush Pratap?
Present.
Arya Upadhyay? Aryan Bharadwaj is there? Is Aryan
Ma'am?
Bharadwaj? Yes, beta Sanidhya. Ashish Yadav? Bushra? Dhanendra
Ma'am, I am
Pratap? What happened? What happened?
Ma'am, battery is about to dead.
Okay, ठीक है, you can leave.
Ma'am, please put my address.
हाँ, I'll put. Divyansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Prachi Gangwar and Prachi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have Pradyumsh. Then we have
Present,
Priyank.
ma'am.
We have Priyank.
made me present.
Yes, I have marked you present, beta. Priyansh Agarwal. I
Yes,
hope you all had your breakfast in the morning.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Rakshit Solanki is there. Rakshit Solanki is there. Then we have Shaurya. Shreya is also
Yes, ma'am.
there.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Shreya is also there. Then we have Yugraj, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yugraj Singh or acha Yuvraj or Yugraj?
Ma'am, Yugraj.
Yugraj Singhil, huh?
No, ma'am, Yugraj Singh.
Acha Yuvraj Singh. No, Yugraj or Yuvraj?
Ma'am, Yugraj.
Okay, Yuvraj Singh, marked. Fine. Who else is there? If I hope I have not left anybody.
I am.
Ma'am,
Huh.
Yuvraj Singh.
Ma'am, today is maximum strength.
Today is the maximum strength, yes. 13 students, including your ma'am.
Ma'am,
14.
I think it's, ma'am, I think, ma'am, all classes we have is as the first period. So, ma'am, many of them are sleeping.
Many,
So, ma'am, they will
exactly.
not attend.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Madhav was also
No,
there in
ma'am. Today in every class the strength is very high, ma'am, because every teacher is going to question that why didn't you attend the classes?
Exactly. Very true. We are going to ask them. Jaskirat, Ishan, Jaskirat always puts his attendance and he never joins the class.
Ma'am, Mujtaba.
Mushtaba also. Then there are people, those who do this. Priyanshi was there in the previous meeting.
Ma'am, last year in 7th class, every teacher as well as student used to complain for Abhinath. Ma'am, this year is happening. Everyone used to come to you and complain. Ma'am, is it happening this year?
No, no, it's not. Because we are all online, no? So online hardly people come and complain.
So, ma'am, he used to create all the trouble at home.
No, he never does that. That way he's a
Ma'am,
very
because you
sensible
are
child.
not at home.
Exactly. No, but when I take classes from home also, then also he hardly travels. Right? Okay. Class,
Yes, ma'am.
anything that you people want to ask from the chapter that we are doing or we have completed?
No, ma'am, I'm all clear.
All clear and understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now this because this 2020 tragedy is so good.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we will be able to tell our future generation how we used to study on phone.
Exactly. This is something, different. I don't think that in future also this kind of thing will happen. So this is the first and the last time, these kind of things are happening.
Ma'am, we are
Ma'am, because
lucky.
earlier when there was a pandemic, there were no phones, so no schools. Children used to
Exactly.
stay at home.
Exactly.
Ma'am, we become part of history.
Ma'am, we are lucky.
You people are lucky that you have created history and or history. We can say history was created when you people were in school, right?
Gagandeep sir
Yes,
is
ma'am.
near you.
No, no, Gagan sir is not near me. It is Danish sir who is taking classes near me.
Gulchan sir is near.
Gulshan sir is not there, beta. Okay, fine. See, whatever we have done after the half release, that work you need to show to me, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And I suggest that only those chapters you do which are going to come for your final exams, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do the short questions, the first two part of the questions that we have, no short answers and very short questions and short questions, right? 10 to 20 words and
Okay, ma'am.
I think 50 to 40
No need
words.
to do 80 to 100.
80 to 100 don't need to do.
Ma'am, but I don't know all chapter. Ma'am, I had.
That is really good. See, it is
मम
good for.
फालतू में लिख दिया मैम फिर तो.
नहीं फालतू में नहीं लिखा बच्चे, ये
Ma'am, in
काम आएगा
exam
आपको.
people come.
Of course, in exams, the chapters that we are doing, the chapters that are coming, only for those chapters you need to do everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Children, I am going to end the meeting, okay? Just 2 minutes are left.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, bacha.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, bache. Take care, all of you.